What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the King Kong 110 GT. And you guys know this is one of my favorite flyers, and the reason why I have this little guy out here is because I want to test this GnB 650mah 2S battery from Crazepony-Power. Now, its closest competitor is the 600mah 2S from Beta FPV. This one is 50 more milliamp hours in capacity, but that's the closest thing that I know to this. They're both rated at 80C to 160C burst, and this one is a little heavier. And so we're going to test this out. I'm just going to do some punch outs and all and make sure that this thing doesn't sag out and all. Now, I'm just going to do some punch outs and all with this thing and make sure it doesn't sag out. It's very noticeable, in other words, when you punch out with this thing and a battery doesn't have enough power to do it. It'll go off to the side or just won't even go up sometimes. The GnB brand has been known for some really nice batteries for these micros, and so we're going to test this 2S out. Spoiler alert. This thing is my absolute favorite for this little guy here. Seems like it's the perfect battery for it. It's not too small, and it's just big enough to get you flying for a longer time. And let's get this thing in the air so I can show you guys the punch outs and all with this thing. And the Beta FPV 600mah batteries, I guess they're hit and miss because I had two of them. And one of them is great and the other one is not so great. It sags out. I can't really do full punch outs with this quad with that other battery. And so let's get this one up in the air. I'm just going to fly it line of sight. Let's do a punch out. Really awesome punch out with it. And down. Really awesome quad for 2S. The punch out on this quad is better than a lot of punch outs on other quads that are 3S. And this does run 3S as well, but I think the motors get a little too hot for 3S. Haven't burned out any motors or anything, but they just run a little hot for me. Whoa! It's a really awesome battery. No lack of power or anything. Pretty decent flight times with it. And this thing has crazy hang time. Just doing my little power loops and stuff. And these flies are bugging me. Whoa, a bird went after us. These birds are crazy out here. Do a power loop over this tree. Oh! And we smacked right into a branch, guys. Hope the battery's okay. The quad is like a tank. I think we got the props straightened out. Just about. Best we can get it. Let's hear it. Yeah, it sounds normal again. Let's go for that tree power loop again. Didn't get back far enough. Let's try it again. We got way too far back that time. Try it again. Final try. I usually could do this, no problem. So this battery should be ready to come down now. So let's bring it in. Yeah, it's starting to. It was starting to tap out now. You guys hear that? It just reset. And that's what it does when the battery doesn't have enough power to do a punch out. And so this is a pretty awesome little battery here. The GnB 650mAh 2S battery from Crazepony-Power. Thanks for watching.